Hello everybody, I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive, and today's video is about a comment that was left on one of my videos. So he left a negative comment on my one of my videos about me getting all these tools for free and I'm only doing the reviews because I get the tools for free. So I did a horrible job of conveying my message to you guys, which is I do these tool reviews because I honestly want you guys to have the best tools and be able to make money. So to take these tools right off the shelf, right off the tool trucks, wherever you get them from, and go put them to work and make money for yourself and make your life easier and better. So that's what my tool reviews are about. So last year alone, I spent $6,383 and I paid down my bill to $6,285 just to have a little small balance. So that's kind of what I spent on one tool truck last year, buying tools to make, I buy the tools for myself, and I also buy the tools for you guys to do reviews with, so you guys can, get the best tools out there, make money, make your life easier. So that's what I do, is some of these tools are sent to me from companies, and a majority of these tools I buy myself. So I wanted to make this video just to let you guys know that I'm on your side. I'm buying these tools and I'm reviewing these tools for you guys, so you guys know that these are the best tools. These are going to help me. Or when I do my reviews, I also let you know the negatives. So like, hey, like I've just some Milwaukee tool videos, and I'll let you know the limitations of the tools. I don't knock the tools and say, hey, this is a piece of junk tool or something like that. And what I do is I'll demonstrate it in person, or demonstrate it working on a vehicle, and hey, there's a limitation. This tool's not the best tool for this one. You may want to use this particular one or whatever. I do stuff like that in my review videos. So if you guys haven't seen my videos, I recommend you check them out. They're very informative, and they'll let you know of the pros and cons of the tool. I'm not the best at going, this is the specs for that tool. My expertise is more of showing you the tools in use and how I use them and how they would work for you if you purchased them yourself. So that's the purpose of this video, is just to say that I didn't make it clear enough that my review videos are here for you guys, not to make money and not to try to sell tools. That's what these videos are all about. It's just me letting you know that I didn't do a good enough job letting you guys know that my tool reviews are legit. I pay for the tools, or if I do get the tools sent to me from companies, I actually use the tools. I don't take the tools, use them for the videos, and then give them away or whatever, or not use them again. I use them every day. So if the tool companies are sending me tools, I don't just take anything from them. I'm very selective. So they have to be a tool that I want to use day to day, every day, and not a tool that's going to sit in my toolbox. And that way, when I make the reviews for you guys, they're legit. Like I'll show you, for instance. So if you look at this Milwaukee tool that I did a review on, if you look at the nose cone here, it's beat up, it's dirty, it's worn. I use this every day. I did a review on it, but this is the tool that I use every day because, that's what makes a good tool review is when the tools are used. They're not the brand new tools. I mean, when I did this review, the tool was brand new, but as you can see, the tool now is got some wear and tear on it, and now you know that I use these tools every day. So that's what the video is about. I hope this helps you out. We'll just leave that in there for the blooper. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching my videos. Encourage you to subscribe.